What's going on, guys? Welcome back with me, Eddie, again. Today video, let's go for some basic how to flash firmware or operating system for IUX firmware. This video I will cover how to back up the ROMs game save file from your memory card before flash the new IUX OS to it. Here I have total 3 different GameKiddy console. The original GKD 350H plastic version, GKD 350H metal version, and GKD Mini, and a tools that we need, a SD card reader. So let's jump into it. GKD Mini is very easy to remove your SD card because the SD card was on top of the console. For GKD 350H metal version, you need to unscrew the 4 screws from back shell case before you're able to remove the SD card from it. Plastic GKD 350H, you need to open the battery cover. If you've never opened before, this cap is really tight. If you're not able to remove the back cover with your fingers, you can find and use some flat and thin thing to help you to remove the battery cover. It will make our life more easy. After you open it, put the battery aside, and now you can remove the SD card. Wow, this always happens. The SD card drop into the console. Okay, now I need to open the back shell to remove the SD card. Actually, no need to open the back shell. You can just do like this if you want. Just play some hide and seek game with the SD card. Here you are. Let's get ready the SD card reader and let's jump to our PC. For this process, we can choose to use LBRY images or Win32 images and also partition glue. Let's back up the ROM first. Open your My Computer and choose the ROM drive. This is all the game ROMs that you may need to back up. Just choose any that you need to back up, copy and paste to any folder for it. Here I create a folder ROMs on my desktop and paste on it. Once you're done, double click the partition glue software. Choose the data drive from the SD card, local folder, homes, and here is all the game save file that you may need. So you can choose and copy which you will like to save it. Let's say I want to back up old boy save file, so just press the right click from your mouse and just choose the copy to any folder that you need to back up for it. I create another save file on desktop for it. Once finished copy, just click the complete button. Now let's delete all the SD card partition. First, move your mouse to the SD card partition that you want to delete. Right click your mouse and choose the delete all partition option. Just press yes and all the partition from the SD card will deleted. The SD card will show free with the size volume for the SD card. Then we need to create new partition from it. Just point your mouse to the gray color bar on top showing free and right click your mouse and choose the create new partition option and just follow by OK. And the gray color bar will change to blue color bar with unformatted. Point your mouse to save all on top of the left hand side of the partition glue and press it and follow by yes and yes again. Wait few seconds, the word unformatted will change to primary, and wait another few seconds, it will change to removable disk. Double click the Raspberry Pi images software, click the first bar, choose OS and go away down to the option Use Custom Image. Click on it and select the image you had downloaded for your GameKiddy console. Then the second bar, choose Storage, click on it and select the right drive which is confirmed is your SD card drive. Then you can click the last bar, right, and followed by yes. This may take a bit time to complete, just depends the size of your SD card and the speed of your PC. Raspberry Pi Imager software does take a bit longer time compared with Win32 Imager Flasher, but it's a bit more easy to use compared with Win32 software. Once the write process is complete, just press the continue button. Let's see how to use Win32 Imager Flasher. Double click the Win32 software on top of the right hand side. Choose your SD card drive correctly. You may go to My Computer to double check the drive. For me, my SD card is D drive, so I choose D. Click the image file and select the image you downloaded for your console. Make sure all is chosen correctly and now click the right option and followed by yes. Win32 Imager Flasher whole process is a bit more faster compared with Raspberry Pi Imager, but still depend on the size of the SD card and your PC performance. Once all is completed, just press the OK. Let's move to another step. Open your Partition Guru software. We need to extend the SD card drive. Click the loan drive from the SD card. Right click your mouse and choose the Extend Partition option and press Start followed by Yes. Wait a while and press complete. The room drive is without any letter drive, so your window is not recognize it. Let's assign a letter drive to it. Right click your mouse and choose the assign new drive letter and choose any letter you like, followed by OK. Okay, the room drive now is recognized by your PC, and you can go to my PC and open the room drive and copy all the rooms games that we back up early and paste into this room drive. The whole process timing depends how big the file you paste into it. We are almost done. Let's copy and paste the game save file we copied early from the SD card data drive, followed by local and home. Open the folder we saved early and choose those files and select those files and press Ctrl+C from your keyboard and to copy it. Go back to Partition Glue and go down all to the bottom and click the empty column from the mouse. Now with Ctrl+V from the keyboard and paste all the files, followed by yes and replace all. This may take a bit longer time, especially those files is big. So just go and have a cup of your coffee. Once completed, just press the complete and you can close all the software and save eject your SD card from PC. Insert the SD card to your console. Power on your console. You have your new IUX OS. That's it for this video. The IUX image, I will put the link on the description. Please download the correct model for your console. I hope I make it clear. If anything you not understand for this video, you may leave me a comment below. I will try to answer you. If you like this video, please do help me to share it and like for this video. See you next video.